the bass.
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Riyadh tonight, it's predicted to be 15 degrees and clear. Currently it's 19 and clear.
Hey Google, good morning.
Hello, 30. The time is 6:27 p.m. Currently in Riyadh it's 19 degrees and clear. Tonight, it's predicted to be 15 and clear. On your way to work, there's congestion in 12 kilometers that is causing a 16-minute delay. You can save 10 minutes by taking Eastern Ring Road Extension Route 513. It is 49 minutes by car. Have a great day.
Hey Google, please remind me to sleep at 9 p.m.
Got it, I'll remind you at 9 p.m.
Hey Google, what's my reminder?
You have one reminder today. Sleep at 9 p.m.
Hey Google, 33 times 98.
33x 98 is 3,234.
Google, what's the news?
Here's the latest news. From headlines from BBC News at 4:13 p.m. today.
The BBC.
The UK's human rights watchdog says Labour may have unlawfully discriminated against
Google.
Jewish people.
Stop. Hey Google, play music.
Okay, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Kung ako ang may-ari ng mundo.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, how to cook sinigang?
Here is some information from the web that might possibly help. Here's a summary from the website yummy.ph. Simmer. 1. Place pork, tomatoes, and onions in a pot with enough water to cover pork.
Hey Google, how are you today?
I feel ready to help. What can I do for you?
Hey Google, how do you say how are you in Japanese?
In Japanese, you would say, "O genki desu ka?"
Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is 30.
Hey Google, what's my address?
Al Bayan, Al Fayha, Riyadh is 2 kilometers away.
Hey Google, how are you?
Doing great, thanks. What can I do for you?
The bass.